Alright, so this is kite spar. It's hollow. The first thing we have to do is take the kite spar and get it so that it has a bit of foam on the end here. We're going to use strapping tape and blue foam. So we've got strapping tape, blue foam, marker, cutting utensil. So we need about 3 inches of strapping tape, so we're going to go and cut that. So strapping tape has a bunch of fiberglass on the inside. So we're going to take it and we're going to cut with the grain in the fiberglass. We want 3 strips of this. So here I've got my 3 strips of fiberglass, and that's going to go onto the end of my kite spar. So here's the strapping tape on the end of the kite spar, and I'm just going to push the edges down so that it is on the kite spar. I usually do this with 2 hands, but I'm holding the phone with the other hand, so you get the idea. Once we're there, we're going to take this 3rd strip, and that's going to go around, and I like to put it towards the tip so I can paste down those sharper edges. And we'll do that. Cool. And so now our hollow core has been taped over. This next step is called making the biscuit. So I have a small piece of blue foam, and I'm going to put it on top of the core. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go around and trim off all these edges so that this piece of blue foam is the same size as the core. So now I have a piece of blue foam that has been rounded to be about the same size as the core. And we're going to use strapping tape in the same configuration that we did down here on top of this. So here I have the strapping tape ready to go. What you need to do is you need to compress the blue foam as hard as you can down, and then push those edges down, and then use the 3rd piece to tape it all down without it popping back up again. So you want that foam to be really compressed. I'll need both hands to do this, so I have to not film this section. Alright, so here you can see I super compressed that foam down, put all 4 of those edges down, and got them smooth. And so now I'm being visited by a cat, but now I'm going to take this strip and go around the top again, trying to keep those little sharp edges in control.